We got a small issue. Need to fix it. First off, which setting was it? Which fucking setting was it? I need my microphone settings. Hello, name is Cami. This shouldn't work. Yep. Hope you all doing awesome as always. I know why this doesn't work. Why is this so weird? I need to disable and activate it. I forgot to enable it, and it's crooked. And also dirty. Is that better? Oh my god. Positioning in camera, imagine. There we go, that's better. Hello. Alright, I got an issue. I got a very bad issue, so oh yeah, I need to change all these again. I got a very weird issue. I got the stereo mix running to get the audio fed through into my Elgato stream capture without having to install a software for my capture card for it to route it differently. So it's all native, basically said. Downside, when I go into my headphones, for me to hear the sound currently and hearing everything properly, you can't hear anything now, and it's super loud. Normal. So we don't have sound on stream unless I install a thing, which I can do. It's just annoying. That means I need to make binds to disable and enable the program again. So let me just do that. I know we don't have sound, but bear with me. I will need to download one piece of software. to download sound capture, which is in, I think it's in this one. I will need to install a video capture program from Elgato, and then it has a program in called sound capture, which I can then route into my headphones and into my streaming PC. We need to do that. There is no music, but la 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 la. Like I said, this is a new Windows install, so why is it not showing that my normal stream is though? Okay. Alright, thanks for downloading, you're welcome. Now we don't start the... Oh, it's an old video capture. I installed the wrong one, I installed the old window capture. No. Can you go away? Installed apps. I installed the old one. Fun fact, Lando Norris had this song in a Instagram post. And I know this song from his playlist from ages ago. Alright, so this is the wrong one. What was it? Yes. It's not Camera Hub. It's also not the 4K capture utility. Sound capture download. Where was it? Game Capture HD. There it is. Oh yeah, I need to go through here. Oh yeah, I clicked the very wrong one. Okay. Now I got the right one. The one I need isn't available anymore. I don't want to help. See, I need this game capture, sound capture. That's all I need from it. As soon as I got this, we got sound through my headphones. I just need to... Oh yeah, you can't even hear the song. I'm talking about the song. Oh my god. Oh, now it went off. Now it's on again. I hate this. So my Realtek driver does sound, but it doesn't do it when my headphones are connected. Cool. Right, give me this sound thing. Sound capture. See, game capture HD and sound capture. I only need this. This is all I need. So if I go to gaming PC, I pick my headphones. Then I pick the Elgato. And you have sound. It's weird, I know. Why is this on 100? Okay. Oh yeah. So I still need to do lots on my PC here to get everything going. So what I did, I finally did it. Also, I can make this bigger again. Hello. Alright. So what I did, I installed 2 Windows instances on separate SSDs. So I have one 1TB SSD on this PC. Oh, whoops, I'm on my server with my mouse. So I got this SSD, the SimRig Windows 11 SSD, which only has sim racing stuff on. Like the only games installed are Assetto Corsa, Assetto Corsa Evo, BeamNG Drive, ETS2, which is Euro Truck Simulator, iRacing, and Le Mans Ultimate. Still missing is Live for Speed and Richard Burns Rally. Those are the 2 that are still missing. So these are coming at a later date sometime. Also 2 have updates. BeamNG and ETS2. Anyway, so I got this. Then the drive you can't see, which is in this management, because it's purposefully not shown, is my desktop Windows 11 drive. So I also have another drive with Windows 11 for my desktop itself. So whenever I go to my desk to work, like videos, etc., it's all there. But so all the monitors are separated. So these monitors are only on the SimRig. My desk monitors are just completely disconnected. So if I go to display settings, you see I only have these. This one is cloned for my Elgato. And then if I go into advanced display and I choose my main monitor on the side there, on my desk, it's off. Well, it's removed from the desktop. Which also means I can run all the programs that I need, which, like all the sim racing stuff, which is like Race Hub, Race Lab apps, Training Panes. These are all just starting when I launch Windows instead of having a separate thing running, which then triggers it when I launch iRacing. And then having started Sim Hub, etc. So everything is like starting immediately, which is really good. On the other hand, on my desktop, I don't have these installed, which is very good. So why would I need to play Tekken with Race Hub running or Race Lab apps, you know? Just much easier. Also, I had conflicted things with some programs. So that's also out of the way now, which is really good. What else? There's something else that I did there. Oh yeah, like the monitor thing, audio thing, because I had audio issues with this exact program that I'm currently using. With this sound capture, I've always had to disable it when I was on my main like setup and everything, so it's a bit unfortunate, but oh well. On the Simric it's fine. I could just make a bind and that's it. But on the Simric I'll be sitting with my headphones more anyways, because when I'm racing I'm sitting here with my headphones anyways. There's something else. But I forgot. Yeah, all the productivity stuff. Like, why would I need all the editing stuff on my Simrig? So that's another thing. That's another reason. Oh yeah, I know what I was going to look at. This song is sick. I need to save this one, by the way. Also, we will have to get all the sounds going again. My stream deck. I need the diodes in the rear. I need to see what is what again. Because I keep forgetting what the logos are for what. Omnidirectional sound direction stereo, vocals, instruments, multi-person podcast streaming. It's cardioid with like a bubble in it. Oh, I had it on cardioid. Now I have it on omnidirectional, multi-person podcast conference calls, face-to-face interviews. No, I'll leave it like this. This should record it from like every angle properly, I guess. So if I have it like this, it should be sounding much better. Can we do a recording and see how it sounds? Actually, I can just go to my YouTube and hear it. So yeah, there's still a couple of things I need to do. iRacing is fully set up, except for the cars. Like, I will need to get like certain cars running, but that's it. Except for the cars. Oh, it sounds very... My stream deck. How does it sound then? Because I keep forgetting what the... Sounds very weird. Omnidirectional... Let me just try this with... now it's set to the cardioid pattern. Let's see how this sounds if I just go to live. Pattern. Try this with... now it's set to the cardioid pattern. Let's see how this sounds if I just go to live. Okay, it sounds definitely better. Alright, music. Nice. Alright, this is working good. Alright, so iRacing is running, everything's good in that sense. What we need to do is get a new stream page here. I don't need these, yes. I don't need that. I will need my iRacing. I don't need my vertical. I can leave this on. I will need my sound bits. I can also put some on here, actually. I can also put some on the page. The lights thing I will need to fix. Miscellaneous, what's that? Oh, that's all the video stuff. I can leave this for now. The audio bit will need to stay. That's my audio controller for this. So yeah. Can I disable can I do active only? Step size 5. Step brother, I'm stuck. Now we just need to fix all the audio sounds. all the audio bits. Because they are not in here. So if I go to stream things, I have all my stuff. You go in here, and now, for example, vroom. Where's the vroom sound? If I put it in there, if I hit it enough times, we should get the sound. Vroom! There it is, but it's very loud, stupidly loud. Also, I still need to install Crew Chief. Stereo mix, it's still running. Output device. Wait, why is it still running, but I have this running? I have 2 stereo mixes. You don't have sound, but if I do this, will you get sound? No. But if I do it here, will you get sound? No. Stereo mix. You still don't get any sound. Okay. Okay, that's weird. Why is it not doing it? Oh, that's Elgato. Okay, so this doesn't work then. So default. Okay, so I will need the Elgato software. That's fine though. Where is it then? I thought I just found something. Alright, so we got some back. Alright, so now we just need to put all the sounds in. So, marvelous. Marvelous. Oh, whoops. That's wrong. It's still super loud. Oh yeah, because I didn't set it down. Marvelous! Alright, so the sound is in. Okay. Oh, I have it twice in now. Marvelous. Marveloso. Nice work from iRacer. Where's my iRacer? Rage. Also, I can do this away. I can put this away. This and this. Yeah. iRacer, nice start. Oh, nice work, nice work. Take care of this. Where's that one? T. Take care. iRacer 5, wow. iRacer 5, wicked. They are not in order, which is a downside. Rage, teach a lesson. It's a bit of a tedious thing to do, but it's nice. It's fine. iRacer, excellent cornering. It's much better to have it like this for every sound that I have. Because for the overtakes, I have a random action, which is much easier. Instead of having, like, sounds. But every overtake gets a different sound, you know? It's much better than having buttons for it in a folder. Check them out. iRacer 5. Excellent is up here. So now we got all the overtake sounds. Marvelous! That's from the Tekken 8 trailer from Lee, by the way.
Take care of this loser!
We got sounds. I don't need the progress overlay there.
Wow!
Good. Race start, same thing. Got 5 sounds in here. Daytona underway. I haven't heard that one in a while. Actually, I did. And they're underway. Here we go. Where is it? There it is. Here we go. It's showtime. It's light below. It's from iRacer Type 4. iRacer 1. iRacer 5 start.
Here we go!
And they're underway! And they're underway!
Can you play another sound?
And they're off! The cars are screaming past the starting line.
Cars are screaming past at the starting line. Such throwbacks, honestly.
Wow, what a start! This is just what I wanted to see!
That's what nostalgia is about. These sounds.
Here we go!
Alright, so these work. Desperate bitch, where are you? D. Desperate bitch. That's a singular sound.
God, Cammy, dude, you're such a desperate little bitch.
Crash has 6 sounds in it. Fatality 1. Fatality 2. It's so uncomfortable without a mouse pad there. Fatality 3. Metal Pipe, which is a super loud one. Where is it? There it is, Metal Pipe. Roadkill, where is it? D. DD2. And the bonk sound.
Roadkill.
Got that. Power. I need some new ones there. Clarkson Power 2. Power 1. Big P, Power 1. And Ridge Racer 5, come on, come on. I know that there's not many sounds in there. I just need some more. Got Overtakes Clutch, where is it? Clutch, that's my, I have a song in Clutch, so that's really funny. Tammy's Fault, there it is. Clarkson, I got 3 sounds in here. Everyone's Stupid. Clarkson, Not Fun. And Clarkson, Jeremy Hopeless. Easy. Jeremy Saudi. I don't know what that's. Oh yeah, I know why it's separated. Because it's well, it's extra. Jeremy Saudi. Clarkson Internet. Oh yeah, I don't need that anymore. Because this also has a scene changer in it as a multi-action, but I don't need that. I can literally just make it a solo one. Clarkson Internet.
I went on the internet this week and I found this.
Set icon from file. I just need my solid black.
I went on the internet this week and I found this.
We can rename this internet and put it in the middle. Line is boring.
That was the single most boring thing ever.
Literally what I'm doing right now is the single most boring thing ever. That's why I'm doing it on stream so people can watch me suffer. Clarkson Laugh. Clarkson Laugh 1. Laugh.mp3. Main Clarkson. That sign. And May Laugh 1. So we got that. I need to put the sound down a bit though. Still super loud. At least for me it is.
That was wicked.
Power! It's showtime.
That's good. So we got that figured out. So we got all the sounds. What else? Oh, BeamMG is done updating. Thanks. What else is there to do for me? I literally don't know. I forgot. I don't want to see that on my browser. There was one thing I wanted to do still. Oh yeah, the lights thing, but that is fine. That is for another day. That's just a script to get the light turned on and off. I think that's it. Stream-wise, what I still need on this PC. So that's it. So we can race now. That was the last touches I need to do, technically. Oh yeah, there's still some last touches with Race Lab I need to do. You need to make a full new overlay. You can start with the MX-5. I'm not gonna register for the race. I just need a... Actually... Yeah, I need a scene which is for every car. Hey JMB, how you doing? I'm just setting up windows. Like, well, last touches, like I said. Ends in 16 minutes, 44, 47, Australian server. Ends in 54 minutes. So I'm setting up windows for the last touches. Which, yeah. Why is this one unavailable now? I think this UI has a slight bug when you join practice servers. So by last touches, GMB, I mean just getting my stream deck ready for all the sounds. This one can be much quieter, actually. Oh, I forgot one sound. I forgot the most important sound. But how can I forget the most important sound? Where is it, though? Where the fuck? There it is. What the most important sound?
Would you rather stick your penis in mayonnaise or never breathe again for the rest of your life?
Good old Malone. I used to annoy him on his stream. Lots of people probably don't know this anymore, because people don't know where I am on Twitch anymore. So I'm banned.
Fatality.
They should play another sound now. No.
Fatality.
No. No.
Fatality.
No.
Your radiator's blowing. Wow, total destruction.
Maybe GMB recognizes that sound. This is loud. Alright, so we need to make an overlay in RaceLab apps. Hello. I will put this over here so you can't see. But I will need to where was it again? Was it layouts? New layout. Enabled. It is enabled. Good. Layouts. Layout normal. Enabled screen. Streaming multi-session. Since I only need a full stream. Practice. Let's start with practice since this is practice. Set resolution. Screen. No. Resolution. 1440p. My radio never blew up. Where is it from? It's from Demolition Derby on PS1. Because you got like sounds in there. Oh, I don't want to upload something, YouTube. Demolition Derby PS1 sounds. CD tracks. No. I can't remember where I had the file. But yeah, it's in there, basically. Actually, is the track here, maybe? No. Voice. Intro. Gameplay, actually. So much techno. Never played PS1? You missed out. It's basically the voice of this guy. When you crash, he says like things. And it's a mixture out of multiple sounds from that game, so. Or what's the Derby Destruction Derby 2? Destruction Derby 2. It was PS1. The first one. No, it's from this game. It's Destruction Derby 2. Whenever you break your radiator, he says radiators burn. He just said, wow, total destruction. But I spliced the sounds together from like 3 or 4 sounds. I just cannot remember where I grabbed the voice bits from. There's a website, I don't know if it's in there. Well, but yeah. I played Blyfoos in Unreal Tournament. Oh yeah, Unreal Tournament is obviously something that I still remember. That was with Quake, my childhood. Alright, overlays. We wanted to do overlays. I need a relative. Hello. Is it gonna show up on stream? It should show up on stream. Oh yeah, it doesn't because of this. There we go. Alright, so we can change these Relative. Let's do that then. Edit widgets. First one should be SOF. Unreal Tournament, man. I remember that game so vividly as well. Relative. Oh yeah. Because I've cropped this now, it's broken. Edit widgets. SOF. I need theme. Which one was it? No, slider? Yeah, it was slider. Alright, we got this. Then second one is incidents with slider. What did I have again? Oh yeah, I also had do cost gained in the middle, and then on the side put incidents with the slider. So the position changed is in the middle, but it makes much more sense, doesn't it? So internet slow, is it mine? Oh, it's mine currently. It's currently mine. Why is that? It's currently my internet. It's dropping frames for whatever reason. Oh, it's dropping hard. Why is it dropping so many frames? I'm sorry, it's definitely my stream though. It is definitely my stream. Or my internet, I should say. Why is it doing that? Is it my GPU maybe? It can't be. Because it worked for weeks. It's not my GPU, it is my internet, okay. So I'm sorry if this is happening, this is my internet doing it. But everything is working. Loading normally. Frames. I'm sorry, it's definitely my one. It's still dropping frames, but it's there. Huh. It was pretty fast in Unreal Tournament. I didn't play it so much that I could say I was competitive or anything. I was more into Quake and Counter-Strike. 1.6 that is. So that was more my niche. I don't know what my internet is doing now. Can I... What happens if I end the kick stream? Shouldn't matter, but... It's still going crazy on my streaming PC. Network and settings. Network and internet. Oh, now it's fine. Now it's back. Okay. Now it's completely green again. Okay, so that was just my internet. Alright, so it should be back. Top 4, none. Okay. Session timer. No, this is not the session timer. I need countdown. Session time countdown in slider. And the bottom is lap counter as slider. There we go. Got the first bits. Oh, it's dropping again. That's definitely my internet, so it's not anyone else's fault. I need to edit this still though. Roboto semi-bold, yes. Dark mode. No. Back separation, no. Visibility. Hide in garage, on. Only show in garage, off. Hide castle pit lane, off. Good. Driver name is 4. 5. Performance and size, rendering FPS 215. The scale of 100. How big would this be? It's green again, so it's my internet fucking about, so I'm sorry. I need to put it into the bottom now. Oh shit. Can I go back here and just put it into the... I can align this, which will be much easier. And put 15 up. Okay, so now I can just like adjust the scale properly to how big it should be. Please let me know if my internet is dropping again, because yeah, it's shit. Scale's fine. If I do 16, is that too big? Actually, that's fine. Or maybe I'll do 15 and I'd make it a bit wider. Driver info. Wait, it's performance and size. Driver name width. Right. Visibility is fine. Driver info. Driver position on. Gear number off. Driver class. Yes, yes, yes. Lap number. No. Relative distance. Yes. Physical distance. No. Joker lap. I can do that for the series if I need. Off track count. I hate this song. Disable animation. No. Tires on. Let's do 2. Actually 3. Pro laps completed. Yes. Lap time delta. No. Push to pass. I can put that for the series that I needed. Driver ratings. Everything is on. Driver flags. On. Everything is on. Driver tags. On. Reference driver. Striped background. Yes. Enable custom colors. Background color. No. I need stripes color. Should I go blue or should I go like my actual pink? Yes. Lap times. Fastest lap. Do you want to see the fastest lap or not? This is super wide, so nobody needs that. Pitted lap on. Pitted time. Yes. Completed stint, current stint, out lap. Okay, flag frame on at the top. Nice. Alright, that's it. So we got the first overlay. Add new. Let's do the input telemetry. Because that I need to fix my webcam. No, not the relative. Input telemetry. Go in. Scale should be fine. Appearance, overlay title off. Font, Roboto Semiball. Visibility, hide and garage on. Wheels and gears off. Wheel off. Pedal inputs on. Telemetry, line size. Ah, you can make them thinner now. That's cool. Show throttle, show brakes, show clutch. Telemetry comparison. No. Alignment. Also, I need to make it a bit less wide. Background opacity. No. Telemetry length. Hey, Kirby. Hey, you're looking at me, looking at you. Looking at me, and then I'm looking at you again. Is that even legal? Are we allowed to do that? How you doing, Kirby? Oh, Driss. I still call you by your Twitch name, even though those days are over. The bottom right. Can you go bottom right, please? You bitch. I hate you. Alright. I will have to... Actually, I need to do it here. Hello? I will have to make it bigger. Way bigger. Scaling. Scale. 20? Or is that too big? Oh, that could fit. These could fit. Oh, look at this. It's almost perfect. Yeah, so I installed Windows again because I wanted to separate my sim rig from my desk. for my actual setup. So I installed Windows for my sim rig separately on an SSD, on an NVMe SSD. And for my desktop, I put it on a PCIe 5 SSD. So, yeah. So if I need to do work, I don't have Race Labs running and stuff. So that's a bit easier. Oh, whoops. Legs are tired, so I cannot rest. Oh, you're doing a supermarket intern thing now. That's cool. At least you're doing something. That's the thing. Not doing anything would be super boring. I can speak from experience because back before I like right after school, I had like a little time where I didn't do anything. Like even when I was in school still, I had like a little bit of time where I didn't do anything. It was super boring and I fucking hated it. And I'm thinking back at it now, I don't understand why I did that.
I need to align stuff.
Can I go into iRacing? Driver height, go up to, so I have a white background. Oops. I need to move this in anyways. Oh, this needs to go down. Now it's lined up. Right, now the telemetry thing needs to be a bit smaller. Telemetry length. Oh, whoops. 75? That's too short. 85? Oh, look at that. I just need to move my camera higher now to see. Driver height. Why is this rounded off there? That's bullshit. Never seen that before. Why is this overlay so rounded here? That looks ugly as fuck. Overlay title. Why is this rounded off like that? Your chat has a delay. I know. YouTube has a 9-second delay. Oh. Dude, this is ugly and disgusting. Why is it like that? Wheels and gears on. How it puts it on that side. Why does it put it on that side now, even though it shouldn't? Pedal inputs. Yes. Telemetry. Graph off. Why the fuck does it do that with the... Oh my god, this is bullshit. Alignment. Oh, that's why.
You're experiencing some network difficulties. If it continues, they may remove you from the session.
Oh yeah, my internet keeps cutting. I'm sorry. That's why I did that. Okay. My internet keeps cutting out. I'm sorry. We figured that out a second ago. Actually, can I do 90? I'm gonna keep editing this, but yeah, I know that my internet is shit currently. Can you go down more? Oh, now it's perfect. Boring, but there are good people working there. That's very important. Oh, latency variation. It's showing that on iRacing as well. Okay. So yeah, it's my internet. I'm gonna put a text on screen saying my internet is shit currently. I just need to adjust the telemetry length again. Oh, 145. I want 82 now. This is perfect. I need one more pixel. 83. Oh, this is perfect. Alright. Let me just put a text sign on my view. Yeah, it's my internet again. Text. Internet. Wait. Where can I put this? There we go. Internet is messy, please wait. Alright, I need to change the opacity though. I don't need...
You're experiencing some network difficulties. If it continues, they may remove you from the session.
Okay. Alright, so I got that. Can I get some more opacity? Like 65. Thanks. Colleagues are very important. I wouldn't work at the pub if it wasn't for my colleagues for like the most part of it. I'll be honest. I mean, I love like working at a pub. Like, don't get me wrong. But if I think about some people that are here, which way they are working, like in other pubs, I don't want to work there. So I'm super happy to be working at the pub with all the people around me. Which GMB knows the most of. Alright, so we got that. I need another overlay. Now I need... so the weather thing that I had at the top left. Do you want that weather thing back? I liked it, like above the track map. So if I put the track map in, and put it up there, higher. Oh, it's taking my map settings. That's good. So these are fine. So if I put my track map there, do you want the weather things above it as well? Because I can do that. It's just a hassle to do. Like I need to put one of each in. Blind spot we can do immediately. Also, I need to align this first. I want these spots scale down a bit. I want them to be seen so people can see when there's cars side by side next to me. Let's do... space between. Let's go up. Go with 550. Oh, my internet should be back again-ish. Oh, 550 is way too little. 850. That's too much. Alright, so go down. I'm gonna put that below my, like, mid-screen, maybe. Well, good to know that my virtual mirror is off-center. I don't use it, so it's fine for me. Because these blocks are certainly centered, that's the thing. That's better. 786, appearance, Roboto, I don't need any font on it though. Color mode, pink, squared, that's little. Yeah, let's keep it like this. Visibility, hiding garage on. Plus 15. Weather was useful on the bid screen. Yeah, when I'm in the actual race, you will have the weather thing. So you like it? Okay, good to know. So I'll put it back then. X offset. No, Y offset. It needs to move down now. Let me put my FPS counter somewhere else. Alright. Actually, I'll put this, because this only appears when there's a car next to me. Otherwise, it's blocked off. Can you go down and take more? Thanks. So these blocks will only appear when there's a car actually next to me. Otherwise, it's like this. Or maybe I'll put the opacity to 30, you know. Actually, no, I'll put it to 0. So these blocks are gone unless there's a car next to me. Now my FPS counter. For that, let me just quickly go into the garage and enable two things. Network, graphical, graphics, graphical. Can put this in between here again. The only downside is I have these here. Put that there. One. You have 4 signs here. 4 things. It's so annoying. Instead of making one function that just represents 4 things. So whenever I get like a disconnect or whatever, or like something, I can put that here. Yeah, let's put it here on this side. So you can see my face and see the shock in my internet. So my internet is having some weird issues today, I guess. Didn't notice that earlier, but I guess now. Now it sees me streaming, it's like, nope. FPS counter right there. Just like that. Beep. Haha, beautiful. Alright. Alright, good. Get the next overlay done. So we got the track map, we got this, we got that. Now I need the weather things. And then I just need to copy this, make a qualifying one, then make a race one, which is the same as quali. And then just make it for all the cars. Like, let's say, for example, a Formula 1 car or Formula 3 car. Have it on there. Weather. Weather widget. Now make it correct so it doesn't appear on the screen when I'm not driving. Overlay title off. Oops, off. I can put my own title up there, like weather monitor. We can do that. Roboto. Semi-bold. Scale. This scale should be fine. Squared corners. On, so I can count better. Everything is squared in here. Hide and garage. On. That's what I need. Components. I will only need... Now, put the next one in. Now I need to do this for each thing we want. So for example, this is track 10. So let's do... I see coughing. Let's do... Roboto medium. That's semi-bold. Squared corners on. Hide and garage on. Let's do air temperature. I know you can't see what I'm clicking in race labs, but that's on purpose. Just tried the first punches technique based in January 24. Don't tell my mother. I won't, trust me. I won't tell her anything. Just how much you love me. How far? 15? Wait, is that correct? Yeah, 15. So go align this to top left. 15. Oh, whoops. Track temp. Aligning these will be a pain in the ass. 10, 15. Alright, so the gap between each needs to be 5. But I don't know how to calculate it. That's weird. How were the punches though? They feel powerful, or were they not so good? Aligning these is such a bitch. You're going by just measuring with your eye. The gap there is 15, this is 15 as well, okay. Right, next weather monitor. Need a couple more. In the middle, I'm gonna put the appearance. This is fine. This, and that, hey, and that. Squared corners on, and now we're gonna put the participation thing on. Oh wait, no. Track wetness it is, right? Yeah, track wetness. So the track wetness is in the middle, so the bar is just like in the middle, which makes it look better. Move to the left, top. 15 down, and here I need 300. Oh, whoops, 18,300, no. 300. This is still too little. 372? No. Yeah, I told you, aligning these is a bitch. But now I know that I'm just gonna square them off and that's fine. Like this. But now the gap is so big. I can put one more thing in there. Participation I can put in there. Yeah, that's it. So just put 4 things in there, but that's fine. Weather monitor. Can you move up there? Thanks. No, why are you not? Huh? Why are you not moving there? Okay, I guess not. Which one is this? Oh, this is also confusing. Why did this move up, but the other ones didn't? Oh. Appearance. I need Roboto font. I need semi-bold. I need squared corners. I need on and hiding garage. Now we're gonna put participation. What else did I have? I had humidity on, I think. But why would we need humidity? So put participation on. I don't need the wind thing. Actually, is there a wind speed? There is, yeah. No. Yeah, participation only. Okay. Good. Now move this to the top left. Move this down by 15. And here put in like 1,000 now. Way too far. 700, much better. It's just a guessing game of how far you need to go, to be fair. Oh, I can't scroll down, but I can scroll up. Good. 600. Yeah, much better. So I can make a bigger gap in there, technically speaking. This is shit now. Or just make them bigger in general. What if I put the scale up? Scale. Let's do scale 16. It's too big. Scale 15. Yeah, with scale 15 it should fit well. Scale 15. I will need to realign every one of these, but at least I can put some room in again. And not have a weird gap in there. 15. And 15. Yeah, this should fit much better, actually. Oh yeah, this will definitely fit much better. I need to move participation. No. This program sometimes. I love race lab apps, but sometimes this program is a bitch to handle. So I need to make the gaps in between bigger. That's fine though. I need. No. Yes. I can move this one a bit more. There we go. Now move the track wetness a bit again. Oh yeah, then I can move this fully to the mirror actually. Like this. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. I don't feel at all. Which one is this? Okay. Can't see because of the light. I'm not doing the Elon thing. I'm just holding the light off. Don't screenshot that. I didn't do the Roman salute. I just blocked the light so I can see. Need to move this one a bit more. Yeah, this is what I would do off stream so people wouldn't talk to me. But with people talking to me, it's much funnier. Can I block the light again? I need to move this one a bit more. I need to move the track wetness one more. Seems like this one is lower, size-wise. Oh no, because this one is bigger. Now it's in the middle. Now it's all aligned, good. Now it's all aligned. Alright, good. So we got that one. Should I put a text up there saying... wait, where is that bit? Data blocks. Is it data blocks? Where I can just put a text in? No, let me edit it. Track name, none. Is there custom? Controls. Wind speed. Track grip, track name. Track grip status, speed, session type. No. Oil temp, no. My stream even still live or is it dead? Why am I dropping so many frames? It's still dropping frames. Oh, now it's not. Oh, now it is again. Why is my internet so bad? Can I try something? Let me just try to see if I can... Wait, is my actual stream still working? Where's my YouTube? It's still working. If I can... Wait, is my actual stream... I can see. Now it's all aligned, good. I mean, it seems to be fine when I look at my own stream. Wait, is my actual stream... I can see. Now it's all aligned, good. Something seems like slower about it. Fine when I look at my own stream. It just seems super laggy because my internet is like crapping itself. What I can do, what I can try is control panel. I can try to like disable and enable the